Hey guys, welcome to Investify, where we help you grow your wealth through smart investments. Are you ready to take charge of your wealth with savvy investment? In this exciting episode, we're delving into a game-changing topic. Billionaires must buy 5 stocks with massive growth potential. Brace yourself for insights into the most promising investment opportunities that have billionaires buzzing. Get ready to supercharge your investment journey with us. From billionaire-approved picks to seizing the dip, this episode is your ticket to investment success. Let's jump in and explore together. Number 1. Broadcom Incorporated. Let's start with the top contender on our list, Broadcom Incorporated, identified by the ticker symbol AVGO. You might be wondering why AVGO is our number 1 pick for this video, and I'm here to clarify that choice. Broadcom Incorporated stands as a true heavyweight in the world of technology, and its reputation as a leader in technology-driven innovation is undeniable. Since its inception in 1961, AVGO has steadily transformed into a tech titan, driven by an unwavering commitment to design and development excellence. At the core of AVGO's impressive trajectory is its remarkable financial performance, bolstered by a foundation of innovation and strategic acquisitions. In the latest fiscal year, AVGO's sales soared to a staggering $26.4 billion, a remarkable increase from the preceding year. This remarkable feat propels them to the forefront of the tech sector. However, the story doesn't end there. Beyond its impressive lineup of products, AVGO wields considerable influence through strategic partnerships with global giants like Apple, Samsung, and Amazon, cementing its status as a true technology powerhouse. These partnerships provide AVGO access to diverse markets and a substantial client base, further enhancing its reach. In the world of IT, innovation drives success, and AVGO fully embraces this. With substantial investments in R&D, around $5.8 billion in 2022, AVGO pioneers future solutions. Their global presence extends from Silicon Valley to Singapore, delivering vital technology even in healthcare. Broadcom Incorporated's unwavering dedication to innovation, partnerships, and R&D cements their place as a tech powerhouse. AVGO is the clear top pick in this exceptional tech lineup. Number 2. Tesla Incorporated. Now let's delve into our top 2 AI stocks that are causing a stir. Tesla Incorporated. This dynamic company has created waves across the globe with its groundbreaking approach to electric vehicles. With a visionary like Elon Musk at the helm, Tesla, represented by the ticker symbol TSLA, has redefined the automotive industry through innovation, accessibility, and sustainability. The Tesla journey has been nothing short of remarkable. Since its inception in 2003, the company has emerged as a driving force in the transition to electric vehicles. Tesla's lineup, including the Model S, Model 3, Model X, and Model Y, has reshaped our perception of electric vehicles, combining style, performance, and eco-friendliness. Talking about the numbers that tell the story of Tesla's rise, the stock's meteoric ascent has caught the attention of investors, propelled by its impressive expansion. In its most recent fiscal year, Tesla reported revenues exceeding $64 billion, a staggering leap from $31.5 billion just 2 years prior. While the financial figures showcase promise, Tesla's impact extends far beyond numbers. With a market value surpassing $800 billion, Tesla has cemented its place as one of the world's most valuable automakers, outpacing industry giants that have stood for decades. However, Tesla's ambition goes beyond electric vehicles and renewable energy. They are pioneers in autonomous driving technologies, pushing the boundaries of what's achievable on the road. Tesla's vehicles equipped with autopilot hardware have collectively covered over 1.3 billion miles, leading the charge in autonomous driving innovation. As we look to the road ahead, Tesla's relentless pursuit of groundbreaking solutions continues to shape the automotive landscape. From electric vehicles to sustainable energy and autonomous driving, Tesla's influence is undeniable, making it a compelling contender in the realm of AI and technology-driven stocks. Number 3. Builders First Source Incorporated. The ever-thriving construction sector. This pivotal industry serves as the cornerstone for progress and development. Builders First Source Incorporated, represented by the ticker symbol BLDR, emerges as a standout player, contributing significantly to the construction landscape. Builders First Source plays a vital role by providing the fundamental building blocks that underpin our aspirations. With a history spanning over 2 decades, BLDR has firmly established itself as a leading supplier of construction materials to builders and contractors. When we delve into the figures, BLDR impresses with remarkable revenue exceeding $11.5 billion in its most recent fiscal year. This robust financial performance highlights their substantial market presence and indispensable role within the construction sector. Investors are drawn to BLDR's growth potential and stability within the supply chain. Yet BLDR's success goes beyond that, driven by strategic acquisitions that expanded its product range and customer base. This positions BLDR as a major player in the building materials industry. As we invest, essential sectors like construction, embodied by BLDR, offer portfolio stability. The lasting demand for construction materials highlights BLDR's enduring role and investment value. Number 4. Ares Capital Corporation. Moving forward, let's delve into the fourth stock, Ares Capital Corporation. This company operates as a business development firm, specializing in various strategic endeavors such as acquisitions, recapitalizations, mezzanine debt, restructurings, rescue financing, and leveraged buyout transactions primarily for middle-market companies. Ares Capital is reaping the rewards of its substantial investments over the years, positioning itself with a significant competitive edge. Functioning as a business development partner, ARCC facilitates small and medium-sized enterprises with vital funding options. By making insightful investments and providing unwavering support, ARCC empowers these businesses to thrive and flourish in today's fiercely competitive business landscape. ARCC stands as a trusted ally for enterprises, providing tailored financial support. With over $17 billion in assets, ARCC's vast experience drives smart investment and stable returns. Choosing ARCC not only supports SME growth but also secures steady dividends as the economy flourishes. Discover the hidden gem for fortifying and growing your portfolio. Number 5. Uber Technologies Incorporated. As we conclude our captivating journey through 5 evergreen stocks, it's impossible not to recognize the trailblazing mobility disruptor, Uber Technologies Incorporated. Uber has fundamentally transformed how we traverse the world, making ride-hailing and food delivery services accessible through our smartphones. However, Uber's ambition reaches far beyond mere convenience. They're dedicated to shaping the future with groundbreaking technologies like flying taxis and autonomous vehicles. Since its inception in 2009, Uber has been a pioneer in reshaping urban transportation and our perceptions of mobility. Today, Uber's services are synonymous with convenience, accessibility, and effectiveness, spanning bustling streets in New York City to the intricate lanes of Tokyo. Demonstrating remarkable adaptability, Uber's revenue surged to $21.9 billion in its latest fiscal year, showcasing its resilience in the face of global challenges. With an expanding market share and a relentless drive for innovation, Uber stands as a dominant force in the mobility industry. As urbanization continues, the demand for rapid, dependable, and eco-friendly transportation solutions will soar, placing Uber services in a prime position to thrive. This dynamic environment offers an enticing investment prospect for those seeking to be a part of the future of transportation. That's it for today. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to like this video, subscribe to our channel, and ring that notification bell for more updates here on Investify.